Hello friends, welcome back to my channel SDV Programmer. I brought a new video for you, that is an unboxing video of Acer Aspire 7. Here is the first box of the Acer Aspire 7. I open it for open the box by the scissor. Okay, now I cut the sides of the box. The box is open. Second box is there. Okay, I put it outside, and the first box I kept side. Okay, next box, second box unboxing. Second box I also open it with scissors. Cut it from the top. Okay, it is the here is the seal given. If the seal is broken, don't open this box. Okay, next I pull out the box from the second box. There are 3 boxes. Okay, then the third box unboxing. Here is the third box. It is open from the side, not the top. Okay, here also written if it is torn, if the seal is torn, don't open the box. I bought it in the price of 43k on the Big Billion Days 2020. Okay, it given a laptop, a charger, a user guide, user manual, etc. I give these specs and the all the accessories in the last. Okay, here is the laptop. Okay, there is a cover on the keyboard and some paperwork. I side it. I open the charging adapter. It is 135 watt charging adapter. It is so fast. This is the screen and the keypad. It has backlit also on the keyboard. Okay, I open the charger wire. Then I boot up the laptop. Okay, so I plugged into the charger as written in the manual. When the laptop is first booted, please plugged into the charger. Okay, it is turned on. It has a backlight of white, I told you. That's pretty cool. Here is the Acer label. Okay, now I end this video and give the specs. Okay, this is the specs.
No chance concealing what deep down I felt for you.